Installation of glass shelf. Please refer to installation of shelves. Firstly, mark the positioning line and drill holes. Fix glass clamp and put the sticker on it. Place the glass in the middle of the clamp and secure the glass with screws on the bottom. Install the range hood in design place in order to recognize the midpoint for the stove after installation of the countertop. Installation of base cabinets. Use shape L as an example. First of all, we need to check out the level of the floor. If the floor is not leveled, set down the height line for the